Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a floral motif which is titled Shamrock Little Flower Motif. So let us go into the video without much delay and learn how to go about crocheting this little motif. Chain 9, slip stitch to the first chain and make a ring. Into this ring place 16 single crochets. First chain 1, this chain 1 does not count as any stitch. Place 16 single crochets into this ring. So I shall also place 16 single crochets, complete the first round and get back to you. I have completed 16 single crochets. Slip stitch to the first single crochet, chain 4, it counts as one treble, and in the same stitch where we slip stitched, make 2 more trebles. And in the next stitch place 3 trebles. Sorry, this I made a double crochet, very sorry, unconsciously I have done it. The height of the stitch indicates that you have made an error. Now in the next single crochet place 3 trebles. We work double crochets to such a large extent that our hand goes to that only. Having done this, chain 7, skip 2 single crochets and in the next place 3 trebles. After chain 7 it's little dicey, 1, 2, yeah, here. And in the next stitch place 3 trebles as usual. So in total we have to make 4 such sets. So we skip 2 and in the next 2 single crochets we work 3 trebles each. Again skip 2, 3 trebles, 3 trebles, skip 2, 3 trebles, 3 trebles, and we will slip stitch to the 4th chain of the first 4 chains. Okay, I'll complete and get back. You too complete and get back. Completed the first round here and I've made chain 7s in the last leg. Slip stitch to the 4th chain of the first 4 chains on top of 4th chain and chain 1 and place a single crochet in the same slip stitched space stitch rather. Yeah, single crochet done. Now in the next make a double crochet, and in the third treble 2 double crochets. Oh, and it's time to make a picot. Chain 4 and slip stitch on top of the double crochet and not in the 4th chain here. Next, in the next treble make 2 double crochets, and 1 double crochet in the next, and the last single crochet. Into chain space make 7 single crochets, and I'll be working the yarn under single crochet. That gives a neater finish, I feel. And continue the stitch pattern: single crochet, double, 2 doubles, picot, 2 doubles, 1 double, single crochet, and in the chain space 7 single crochets. So this set of stitches continue on the other groups too and get back. I shall also complete and get back. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch from into the first single crochet from front to back. Here we go. Pull up and secure it. Okay, and then you can hide the yarn, fasten off. Here we go. We have completed the shamrock motif. This is the shamrock motif. Hope you like this video, friends. It's a small little video. These small items can be made with the scrap yarns that we have and then combine together and make into a very big project, and that will be colorful and most beautiful one you can develop into. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. I shall be back with another pattern in the next video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye friends for now. Have a great day.